Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, I did do my repairs and got this glued back together. It's not the prettiest job, but I got the clearance on everything and it seems solid enough. So that's there. And now on to step 19 now. Okay, like those. Okay, got it, okay. Okay. Camshaft done. Okay. And step 20. right. I'm feeling good about this right now. I got to go back and do some waxing and line these cam lobes up a little better. But I'd say that's a good stopping point for today. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I know this is a quick one, but I didn't think it would go this fast. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay, I was waxing the pieces here and I realized I had a part left over. So I went back and looked and I realized I had to take it apart here so I could get to here and get this piece in like it's supposed to be, which is this down in, try not to break it again. Get in there. Ah. And then we stick this back on like so. You kidding me? Okay. I don't think that crack that made was a structural issue. So I'm gonna let it ride. Okay. Now to go on there. And oh man, I'm gonna break these things again. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. Oh, no we're not. One step forward and 2 steps back, guys. I got clearance to get that. I think that's the side I've already. I'm going too far. Get in there. All right. Oop, too far. Okay. Now, that completes step 19. And since we're going again, how much is trouble with step 20? Oh no, that was step 20. How much trouble is step 21? No, we're still on step 20. Okay. So, yeah, let's skip a step. I'm just gonna plow on. I learned how to do the speed up thing yesterday, so I'll use it again today if I need. Doop. Okay. Okay, so these go. At the bottom. Okay, so this goes. Okay, so this guy. Yeah, I'll definitely use the speed up trick on this section. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back and do. I'll do some sanding and see if I can't get a little more clearance on that. But now I'm really done for the day. So thanks for watching, guys. We got several moving parts here. We have to do some fine tuning on this, obviously. I wonder let's see where the catch is on that. But anyway, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.